This is a very short class, a very brief class on inserting charts and pictorial representations of data into spreadsheets, but also into other documents, into word process documents and into other documents you might want to prepare, including PDFs. So it's a very straightforward one. It's probably one you can do already, having got this far in the course. So it's just a brief revision. If you feel it's something you're completely familiar with, then just simply ignore it and pass on and do something else. If it's something you want to revise, it's just here. It's, as I said, an extremely straightforward class. So, having said that, let's just look at how to insert some of these charts into the diagram, into the sheet we've got here. So here we've got, let's say, data for 12 months. These could be output data for a particular company. The company produces 20 in January and 15 in December and so on. So what we do to insert the chart is we simply highlight that, and then we go to the type of chart we want. So let's say we wanted to simply, I'll just move this into here, we get that, and we can format this better. Of course, we can turn these into bold characters along here and change the title, the series here, change that by just simply double clicking on it and editing it. There's lots of possibilities we can do. We can change the colors and so on. We can also, of course, if we'd made a mistake in here, let's say June 15, it was 15, let's say it was just 6 instead, and you can see that the chart has changed over here. Let's say we also wanted to make that, just look at make it a little more interesting and round off those corners and just try to get a picture of the way in which the organization changed over time. So let's go back to insert, and we'll go to scatter over here and insert this one. Now if we put them down, just put it down here under it for a second, you'll see it's the same type of relationship, except we don't have those peaks anymore. We've got nice smooth curves showing how the organization has changed over time in terms of output, and for each month how the output has varied. So it's possible to do that. Let's delete that one. We can also insert pie charts, of course. We can fill in the pie chart and make it look a bit better. And the pie chart, of course, will also change if we change this. If we go back here to June, we made it 6 earlier. Let's make it 16. And you'll see that figure has changed, and the pie chart also changed when I did that. But you can go inside, edit each one of these segments of the pie chart and put some figures in here, or just make it a lot more presentable simply by double clicking on it. So you can add in pie charts. You could also add in bar charts, areas. You can look at sorry, that one's done. Go back to insert. Look at different types of charts. Again, that one is done. Some of them depends on which version of Excel you've got and what the data looks like. They may not be available to you. The ones I just brought up were not available on this particular version. But that's how you would insert charts into a document, and it's useful for when conducting research, business research, doing a business plan, or writing an essay or an extended essay on a particular topic that involves some quantitative material. And that's all we're going to deal with here. It's a very short exercise, just simply reminding you how to insert charts into a document. You can now just copy this and just simply copy. Sorry, get a good grip on it. Oops. There you go. Copy it and paste it into a different document, and that's how you do it. So that's all I'm going to deal with here. It's just a very straightforward exercise, and thank you for watching.